Hello everyone. You may think that an air showers are equipment that removes dust from the human body and keeps it out of the clean room. In reality, however, air showers have risks of carrying dust from the human body into the clean room. This may sound unbelievable, but in fact, many factory workers say, even in a clean room, the area coming in from the air shower is the dirtiest part of the room. In fact, when we place a cleanliness monitor near the entrance of a clean room to measure the cleanliness of the environment, the cleanliness level drops dramatically each time the air shower exit door is opened. It is hard to believe that an air shower, which is supposed to protect the clean room, is actually contaminating the clean room. But now there is a new device to solve this problem. TRINC's air shower collects all the dust from the human body inside the device and does not pour it into the clean room. Furthermore, dust around the device is also collected, so if installed in a changing room, the cleanliness in it is also improved.
What?
Is
Is
that
that
true?
true?
It is true.